Alright, let's do this. What's the time? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, look at my eyes, how old am I looking? Hello people, good afternoon.
Good job.
Thank you. Rhaze is making me do this. This is...
Boy, I asked you nicely.
This is my punishment. She goes, can you please vlog? And I said, what the hell, I'm feeling generous today, so I'm not gonna vlog. Oh, am I gonna vlog? I'll vlog a little bit. How am I gonna do? She wants me to do my haul. I went Asian shopping grocery today.
Do you want me to vlog you?
You vlog me, then it looks, I'm trying to hold it, there's nowhere to put it, so. But I want to look at the screen so I can know what it looks like.
Your
so
assistant today.
that looks good. I've got my top on, my San Miguel, supporting the Philippines. This is for Ray, she loves her coconut milk, coconut water, sorry.
Thank you, babe.
That's right, babe. And we're going to give these people a shout out. This is not sponsored, but they're a good Adelaide Filipino company. They're called AZON. AZON Kitchen.
AZON's Kitchen.
AZON's Kitchens. We'll leave a link below for them.
Okay.
An Instagram link maybe.
Alright.
Because I don't know if they've got a website or anything. Do they have a website?
Can I flip the screen please so I can see you? Because I can't do it properly if
No,
I
you're doing a
can't
good job.
see you. No, just look at here.
Okay, fine. For me. Right. So AZON's Kitchen, cassava cake. And we're going to do a haul tonight. No, what are we doing tonight? We're doing a mukbang?
Up to you.
We're doing like a Filipino food mukbang. What are these, babe?
That's maruya. I actually had to look that up because I wasn't sure what it is, but it is banana. It's like banana fritters.
Is it meant to be served
based
hot or cold?
on Google, huh?
Hot or cold? Or do you like eat it
or
as
just
it is?
yeah, as it is.
Alright, cool.
Hey, where did you go?
Rosewater Grocery. The girls there are nice, and some old ladies that work there, they're really nice. So. And they've got a good Filipino selection.
Yeah, they do.
They do, they're a good one. Spanish bread, Rose has been craving bread for the last 3-4 days. I want bread, I need some bread. So,
thank you, hubby.
There you go. I don't think you'd like this.
That's ensaymada.
That's what you wanted, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
I don't mind, I don't know if it's still a cup of tea, this one here. But
really?
I don't know.
I like it, yeah.
And back to your...
Yay!
Yeah. Bloody expensive, $7.
It's okay. It lasts me like what? A week?
A day.
A week? Oi.
A day.
That's a lot.
A day. Alright. And next we're going to do, like I said, we'll do Filipino barbecue tonight. As much as we can do a Filipino barbecue. So, we've got 2 lots of, what are these, babe?
Pork barbecue.
Pork barbecue, pork belly. So we're going to have, do that, some rice, bit of dessert. Is that it, my love?
Yeah.
Is that all we're going to have? That'll be enough. That'll be good.
That's a lot, yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Sounds good, babe. That's all.
That's it?
That's it.
That's your haul?
That's my haul.
Do you want to fold the bag the way I fold it? You said you said you know how to fold it.
I'm not going to fold it your way. That takes too long. It's just, what's the point?
So it's neat and organized.
It's fine. We're going to pull it out and use it in the next hour or 2.
Gosh.
So I think you should eat this today. Have you eaten today?
Yeah, I had my breakfast.
Okay. Maybe tomorrow. That.
Yeah, this one. So you don't like it?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I just don't know if you like it. That's all. It's your...
No, I know what it tastes like. Ensaymada.
Do you have to marinate these, my love?
That's already marinated.
Is it?
Isn't it? Yeah, it says marinated pork belly. Oh.
Is this marinated?
Yeah, that's already
Okay.
flavored. Yeah.
Alright.
So.
We'll leave these 2 out to defrost.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
I'm also defrosting the lobster head because that's what I was gonna have for lunch.
You gonna have that tonight as well?
No, just for lunch.
Oh, just
And
for
then
lunch.
this is dinner, right?
Okay. Don't eat rice or much rice. So you're still hungry.
Oh, I'm gonna be hungry, babe. Don't
You're
worry.
hungry?
Yep.
Okay. I spoke to John before. Chinese John.
And?
Nothing. He's just a good day.
Okay.
I was just driving. I'll see how he's going. So. Yeah. So same old.
That's good.
That's all good. Alright, so what else are you going to vlog today, my love?
Up to you. This is your vlog.
What we can do, we can vlog prepping of the food.
Oh, wow, okay.
It's not really prepping though, it's already,
I know it's already prepped.
already done.
This is your vlog, babes.
Alright, I'm out of stuff to talk about now. That's a nice 2-minute vlog.
Okay, you ran out of... Okay, you hold this on. I'm gonna finish my editing.
I'll tune out. My love.
What?
Tell him what I did wrong. Tell him. Tell him.
Sige na.
Yeah, we'll follow you. Alright people, not doing anything exciting, I'm just eating my lunch, or making my lunch. Just as usual, we got lettuce, bread, eggs. So I'm just doing curried egg sandwich and never miss a vlog opportunity. This is a vlog opportunity. I don't know why, but I gotta vlog it. Alright guys, I'll show you the finished product soon. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back. So I had to go to the shops, ran out of mayonnaise, got some mayonnaise. So what I'm doing now is eggs, mayonnaise, a bit of curry powder, and then I squash it all up, chuck it on the sandwich. Perfect. Bit of curry powder. Like that. And squash, 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 squash. That's the finished product once all squashed up. Then you just chuck it onto the sandwich. That's the finished product. And then chuck that on top. Chuck that on top. Voila. Alright, here we go. It's huge. So good. Best lunch ever. One completed. Second one. So my vlogging career is over. I've retired.
Bilis.
Yeah, 5 minutes and done.
That was quick.
Thank you. I'm here for a short term, not a long term. Oh, I was too boring. Sorry guys for the boring lunch vlog.
It was boring.
It put me to sleep. No, it put me to sleep. Nah, we work better off each other. This is like Batman and Robin. Who's Batman?
Me.
I'm Robin.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the ensaymada. Ito, sabi ko sa kanya, gusto ko ng Filipino bakery. Like Filipino bread.
Yeah.
Isa to sa mga gusto ko. I wasn't expecting na meron to sa Rosewater.
Do you know where this is made? Behind Asian Spices.
See, I told you.
I go there all the time.
Mas nandun pa siya
Really
kaysa
good.
ako.
I get it all fresh.
See?
I do. Have you never been to one there?
No, you didn't
It's good.
take me. Pag pumunta kami kina Ate Sherry, lagi ko nakakalimutan na dumaan dun. What? Is it right behind it or beside it?
I've never been there, babe.
You've never been?
I think it's behind though.
Ay, hindi pa pala siya
It's
nakakalimutan.
fine. The address is the same.
Sinungaling na naman kasi siya.
See? 19B Beafield Road, Parry Hills West.
It is, hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you know.
So that's a Filipino bakery there.
Yeah.
We should go there.
Auntie Sherry should have this in her shop. I've never seen
Yeah.
it. Auntie Sherry, put this in your shop.
Ate, not auntie.
Same.
Okay, let's eat. Oh my
I've
gosh.
already eaten that. I already had one today, so
Natry na niya.
I'm full. I'm watching my weight. I don't want to eat too much.
Ensaymada! This is my lunch. I took out the lobster, but I'm just gonna put that in the fridge. I'm gonna eat that tomorrow.
Will it be alright tomorrow?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's just defrosting.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put it back in the freezer.
Okay.
Plus the sauce, I don't think it's fully thawed yet.
Okay.
Okay. Meron din sila dong pandesal.
Do you like that bread?
Yeah, I like Spanish bread. I haven't tried this specific Spanish bread, but I like Spanish bread. The pandesal and the Spanish bread expires at the same time, so 17th of April. So sabi ko isang bread na lang.
That's 8 days time. That'll be gone.
Yeah, it will be. I'll be eating it, but I still have croissant there. I'll have it for...
I'll have your croissant.
Huh?
I'll eat your croissant for tomorrow.
Okay. Is there 2 there left?
I'll eat them both.
Okay.
You can eat this.
I eat like 1 croissant with coffee a day for breakfast. That's my routine. So now, I have this. And then maybe we will try their pandesal one time as well.
The what?
Pandesal.
Ah.
This guy's very, very, very good husband. Very good husband.
I want a divorce.
I told him last night, I want Filipino bakery. Like, it's like, where the heck will we find Filipino bakery?
But now we know. This is...
Yeah.
Now we know.
Gabi na kasi. Gabi na ako nag-crave ng mga Filipino bread. Kung ano-ano na lang kinikrave ko lately.
Let's give this bakery a shout out, because you've got to support local Australian Filipino businesses. So I'll get you to say that it's JNJ. So JNJ Panaderya.
Read it.
Panaderya. JNJ Panaderya.
Read it syllable by syllable.
Panaderya.
There you go.
Panaderya.
Good job.
Is that right? Panaderya?
Again.
Panaderya.
Panaderya, yeah.
Panaderya. Anyway, so they're located at 19B Beafield Road, Parry Hills West. So
You can leave their address.
where Asian Spices is, they're located at the rear. And if you need some Filipino bread, check them out. And if you need some Filipino food, check out Auntie Cheryl's Asian Spices right in front.
Good job,
Parry Hills West.
babe.
So I'll do promotions now. If you like your company promoted, just send...
We haven't been there. We will visit one day.
We will visit you. And when we visit you, we expect free staff for promoting you. We want a lifetime supply of Spanish bread. Nah, just kidding. So, local Australian Filipino business, Parry Hills West. See, we've got some more nuts, another Filipino. This is So Pinoy. This is called So Pinoy, another company. And AZON Kitchen. Is that it?
Azon's Kitchen. Yeah.
AZON Kitchen. So we'll eat their food tonight. See, there's a few. You know
He
what?
likes supporting Filipino
I like supporting small businesses, and if they're Filipino, even better.
Aww. Thank you, Mala.
Because you can send us free stuff.
Just kidding.
Just kidding.
No, he doesn't want free stuff.
Well, this is one we just give a shout out to. This is what you're craving. Lechon.
Oh, yeah.
what are they called?
Jerick's Lechon.
Jerick's Lechon.
Jerick's Cebu Lechon.
You know what? In this, Raz will leave descriptions of all these companies in the bio.
Okay.
Do it. Support them. Times are tough at the moment. Why don't you just see they're selling by the kilo? They don't do by the kilo?
I visited their Facebook now. They're not doing it right now.
Oh, they're not doing it at all?
No, not yet. Yeah.
Tama.
So they're temporary. Gusto ko lechon. Yeah.
They did really good lechon. I reckon that was one of my favourites I had.
Aww.
So what is that called? Jerick?
Cebu lechon.
Yeah. And I want to give another shout out. With this this is like a business promotion. So these people I've met a few times. Do you know who it is? The Filipino Project.
Oh, you've met them, yeah.
I met them a few times. I think Raz has seen them once or twice.
I have, yep, I have.
At events. So
they do catering.
So
Yeah.
the Filipino Project, they do catering. Check out their Instagram. It's called
The Filipino Project.
That's right, the Filipino Project. They got really good food actually. They're really good cooks. So check them out.
And they're good people.
They're good people as well. Very nice people.
All of them are.
So
this is good.
you like it?
Yeah, good job, Panaderya, JNJ. Yeah, they post a lot of good Filipino food. Sometimes I don't even look because I wanna crave again.
So this is the Filipino Project. They get a bit of a glare. So that's them. There's AZON. They've got all barbecue desserts. So that's called AZONS, AZON's Kitchen. It's actually not bad. We don't have any we don't have any Filipino takeaway restaurants in Adelaide.
Well, not that we know of.
We would know about them if we did.
Okay.
Wouldn't we?
Yeah, maybe.
At least you got your lechon sorted. You got your Filipino. We got Filipino bread now sorted.
Yeah, thank you.
We got Filipino desserts as well.
Yeah.
And we got some Filipino food.
Are you trying to get me stuck in here?
No, I was going to say for my next wife, when you come here, I know where everything is now, so you don't have nothing to worry about. So
he got it sorted.
I got it sorted. So when Ray's is gone, you're not going to starve. Bye, love.
What is this like? A what? A panawagan? What's a panawagan?
What's a panawagan?
Like a. I don't know, my brain's not working properly.
Their brains aren't working properly, people, so good time to change. So, what are you missing from the Philippines that we don't have here? Quake. Oh, what's the name?
I can't cook that anymore.
No, but bloody Lyra. We got Lyra here, so if you need some good food, Lyra does good food. True? So when the next wife comes, we'll make sure you're friends with Lyra, so Lyra can cook some food. And Trina's a good cook as well, so you know.
Yeah, I want fishbowl on the street.
Is that Trina or Lyra?
No.
None of them?
No.
None of them. Okay. Well, if you can cook fish balls and you want to be friends with Razel and you live in Adelaide, reply below.
User.
I'm a user. No.
I can't cook quake anymore because.
Bloody hell, yeah, stop cooking that. And it makes a mess. We've got oil everywhere. We cleaned up the house and Raz just destroyed the kitchen in 2 days. Who has to clean up the kitchen now?
You.
Yeah, me.
You're really good at it.
I know.
Oh my gosh, I finished it, guys. And that's a big one.
Good job, babe.
Yeah. Thank you, my love.
Let's do another
What?
book Q&A thing. We're going to do bang.
He loves Q&A.
I love telling everybody my opinion on stuff. Because I'm full of shit. So
this is your this is gonna be your vlog today. So ask them on Instagram.
this is my wife, Simply Ray's. This is what she does when she's not vlogging.
My farm.
How's your farm going?
It's really good.
It's really good.
Got a lot of factories now.
Do you, my love?
Yeah. I downloaded this yesterday. And now I'm on level 12. Very good. What time is it now?
I know, 5:30.
I finished at 5 today.
What time did you start? What time? You didn't get out of bed until what time?
Got up 9.
9. Your butt's looking big. The life is Simply Ray's.
Buang.
Buang your face.
Oops.
It
Says instruction ng marinated pork belly na we need a ketchup and oyster sauce mixture. So I've got this ketchup, the Filipino ketchup, and oyster sauce.
I think you need to just put that in a bowl, mix it up, and we just when we're grilling it.
Yeah.
When we're grilling it, we'll just brush it. I think even a smaller bowl. Okay, that'll do. Yeah, that's fine. Do you like the clear bowls? Yeah. Oh, did you say for the pork belly or for both of them?
Pork belly. Do you think that's enough? How many?
Yeah, I bet it's enough. We're just pasting it with it.
Yeah.
That's enough. Trust me.
You sure?
Leave the brush in there. Yeah, it's fine.
With the barbecue, it's good with the ketchup and soy sauce.
Soy sauce? Yeah, we should have some soy sauce.
Yeah. Can I do a ketchup and soy sauce mixture?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, so I'll do another mixture.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, you know what? We need more ketchup. See? We need more ketchup, Manav.
There's heaps in there.
Oh.
There is.
This is our last bottle.
Ah, we don't use it that often.
No, I do. With my talong.
You like the Australian ketchup better?
No.
Well, it tastes like
Next time
ketchup.
we go to the shop, Manav, don't forget, okay?
Yeah,
Thank you.
no hurry.
I'll do toyo mansi. Do you know what that is?
Yep.
Okay, we'll try that. That's pretty strong.
Alright.
Ito na yung setup ni Mister. So, nandyan yung marinated liempo and yung pork barbecue from AZON's kitchen. And meron tayong ditong sauce. That one is toyo mansi with ketchup, banana ketchup. And this one's got oyster sauce and ketchup. Hindi pa to naka-on, mamaya na. So, we will film a mukbang. We're gonna film a mukbang? Wow. Bait-bait ah. Oh.
All done eating, vlog's over. Not vlog's over,
Mukbang is. Yeah.
Mukbang's over. Rose is coming doing dishes again.
I didn't ask you to do it. We help each other out right here, people. Dan does the dishes. I clear out the table and we'll clean the table. Okay?
That's alright, it's all sorted. Alright guys, dessert time.
Good job, my love.
Thank you.
My love.
I'm taking over the channel.
We will
what are we
try
eating?
the maruya. This is banana.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we've got the cassava cake. We'll share that and we'll have a little bit of cassava cake as well.
Okay.
Okay, my love?
Yep.
Alright.
It's wet because of the sugar.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you sure you meant to eat it cold?
Maybe we can air fry it.
Are you meant to air fry it?
I don't know. I really don't know.
That's alright.
Okay.
I'll have that.
That's good. I think this is Pinay pie in Bisaya. It's banana and then it's covered with... I'm not sure if this is it. It tastes different.
I like it. I'll eat it.
Yep. I'm very full from dinner. Dinner is really...
Have a taste of the cassava cake.
I already know what that tastes like. Do you want me to eat that now?
Have a taste.
Okay. Because I'm mahilig sa dessert.
Another cake from
AZON's kitchen.
WAKAS. There we go. AZON's kitchen.
You want a fork or a spoon?
I'm just gonna have a little bit. I'm just gonna have a taste.
Spoon?
Something like that. We'll just have a taste for tonight.
Yeah, I've tasted this before. This is good. I like their cassava cake.
I want the edges though.
That's mine.
I want the edges.
Maybe.
I want the edges.
Gusto niyo
You can have whatever else you like, but I just want the edge part.
Boring.
What?
You like the middle part.
I got sticky tape.
Tapos alam na ni Dan kung ano pipiliin. If you pick cassava cake for me, what do you choose?
The pit in the middle.
See.
The edges. Always the edges.
And what color?
Black.
The burnt one, the brown. Pinaka-dark. Gusto ko yung pinaka-dark yung piliin niya.
Rose likes stuff overcooked. I like them cooked perfectly.
Oh, it's part.
I ate that part.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good?
I like their cassava cake. Right? Gusto ko yung dito na part ko yung brown. Yung kay Dan yan, yung puti. Yan yung sa kanya.
They didn't have growers. I don't think you can get growers in Adelaide.
Yo, naghanap din ako ng growers.
If you can buy growers peanuts in Adelaide, let us know.
Manila Trading used to have it.
Maybe they still do.
Yeah, not anymore. We've been there a couple times and they don't have it. So maybe they don't supply growers anymore. Yung peanuts na growers, gusto ko yun eh. But this one's good as well. I like this one. Kung ano-ano lang pinagkakain ko doon.
We don't believe in cups in this household.
Yeah, it's just us. Sorry. Excuse me, guys. This is good. Ayoko sana kumain na.
Alright, I'll do my love.
Yeah, that's enough for me. Oh my god, I'm so fat now. Thank you, my love.
That's alright. Tomorrow we got Spanish bread tomorrow.
Are you gonna close the vlog now?
Alright, let's close it.
Yep.
Are you good?
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for watching, everybody.
Daniel TV.
And Daniel TV.
Thank you for vlogging.
Thank you for vlogging. Thank you. She's angry. I got an angry wife. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Have a good night. Bye everyone. Be good. Mwah.
Bye.